company was using a team site as their portal and stored all their forms on the site. Users started to fill out the forms online, not realizing that because they could edit the forms directly, all site members could see the changes they were making to the form, which included their personal info. Do not use a team site for a company portal. Do you know the difference between a SharePoint Team Site and a communication site? Keep watching to find out. You can't convert a communication site to a team site or vice versa. When you create a new SharePoint site, you are given two options: create a team site or a communication site. A SharePoint Team Site is where you collaborate and create with your team. A team site is ideal for a collaborative digital work environment. If you already have a Microsoft team, you're in luck. You already have a SharePoint site. All your team files are located on your SharePoint site. How do you get there? You can quickly get to your SharePoint site by navigating to your files in any team channel. Along the top, click Open in SharePoint. A SharePoint communication site is where you showcase and share your work. A communication site is ideal for an intranet or portal environment. This site can be used to communicate news and share information, digital assets, and templates. Each SharePoint site, no matter what type, come with 3 permission groups by default. Avoid a permissions disaster by understanding what they are and how they work. Owners have full control, members have edit rights, and visitors can view. To keep yourself sane, add users to permission groups instead of individually to the site. This will make it easier to manage your sites. You can add users individually to these groups, or you can add them by their O365 group. Utilize your O365 groups to quickly add groups of people to your SharePoint sites or grant them access to specific files and folders. Ideally, users on your team sites should have editing rights to promote collaboration. Stop sharing files from your OneDrive. Store them on your team site. When you add a member to your team, they are automatically added as a member on your SharePoint site. When you remove them from your team, you remove their access to your SharePoint site. If you grant them access directly to your site, you've only given them access to your site, not your team. On a communication site, there should be few editors and many viewers. If you want to collaborate on files, use a team site. Your editors of this site should be added into the members permission group, or as a member on your team. Everyone else into the visitors group. This will ensure they have access to view pages and files. So to wrap up, if you are working on a project, organizing an event, or working with a team, choose a team site. A team site is an ideal collaborative digital workspace where all members are editors. Want to share news or information with your organization? How about Word or PowerPoint templates? Choose a communication site where you have few editors and many viewers. Viewers can view pages on your site and files. If they want to edit any of the files on your site, they will be prompted to download them first. Do you have any SharePoint horror stories? Let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thanks for watching!